Hi everyone, welcome to Kids World. Today I'm going to make a water aquarium. And we need the ingredients all in the table. And you can take a print. If you don't have like these both printers, you can draw one and color it. And we need some things. We need glue for that. And we need paint for that, and a brush. Here's the bottle. But I have to clean this bottle first. Then when I finish cleaning this, we need water. This is so hard to clean this. You show you one more time these fishes. If you don't have these, I told you should draw these. Whoops. Next, if you don't have sea plants, you should draw even these ones, okay? This one are all sea plants. We need this color, blue, for all of the aquariums. We need paint and a paintbrush. So we had that, so we can all color these. We can color the water when we go to put. I'm going to open this paint. Blue paint. Let's open this bottle. Let's take the paint from this tube. Bottle. So let's dip it in the bottle. Let's mix this up. Ooh, I think so we need some more. Boop, 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 boop. And this toy is helping me to cut the fishies. I finished squaring this. That's so cool. Let's clean up this thing. Clean up this bottle. Let's clean up this bottle. Put the cap. One fish we got. We have our glue now. Let's open our glue. This is the fishy. First, this is my sister's house. There's one here even. Whoop. There's both fishes. We have some more to come. I will show you different fishes, okay? But there's a funny fish. It have a different fish tail. Okay, let's put the paint cap. Put it inside the paint box. This is the place. What's all the ways? Oh yeah, that's all the ways. Sad, guys. So much fishes. Really fishy. I am a fish. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Let's take the glue to stick the fishes. Fishes. We're gluing it. Now we're gluing it. We are gluing it. Let's glue it. Just stick this. See this fishy fish. That's so cool. Let's take the other one. This is orange and white fish. Let's put it. But first, let's glue it, right? Put here. Sometimes then let's slip the white side on it. We can put, because otherwise the white side will be so funny. Let's see. Let's do it. Glue, come on, glue. Let's stick this. We got the other fishy. This is a sea plant. Let's stick it. Just stick down. Nice, right? Put another sea plant here. Can you see this one? Cool. We have some more sea plants to take. This is my water aquarium, and there's so much kinds of fish, right? See? There's so much kinds. And this is the end of the video. If you like it, you should even try. And if you like it, subscribe, okay? Bye, everyone. Don't forget to share. If you like it, subscribe, okay? Bye.